This ISO-certified scanner is perfect for product development, reverse engineering, quality control, or non-destructive testing. Its optical tracking technology allows the system to be impervious of shop floor vibrations or part movement. As you can see, it can scan very large parts in one single setup. You can even extend the volume in one simple step without the need for leapfrogging thanks to the dynamic referencing. Its 15 laser crosses translate into incredibly fast data acquisition without compromising a user-independent 1/1000 accuracy. The need for developer is not required as it will acquire any kind of surface finish. So, the setup is very fast as no warm-up time is required, and the live meshing capabilities allow minimal post-processing. All in all, the MetraSCAN Black's innovative technology enables unprecedented accuracy, portability, and speed for 3D projects in your production environment.